All right, guys. You can see who shot what. Top scores at the top with the name.
I got 245?
No.
Oh, I did. Oh. Wait, what?
Actually, don't count this, just these right
Oh. You should count it for real.
Because these are just these are the prones that you shot the first time, so that I can make sure you did well.
I shot 70 in the pros.
Well, the first time you did, and then you shot 42. What happened with that?
Of course it's standard bag.
All right. Man, how, you know,
Where am I?
I was expecting y'all to go from 89 to 90 and, you know.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Oh, that's everything. Sorry. Of course it's everything.
All right. All right. Now, look over here. Let's compare. How do we do the final scores? Final scores. We're not going to talk about Jehovah's scores. We're not going to talk about that. For everybody else, though. Final scores. Irvin, Anastasia, what did he shoot the first time? 172. He shot, well, when you add up what we did during the week, 195, but he ended up with a 223. All right? Irvin, first time you shot, 178. Your work for the week, 225, which is consistent because you ended up with a 222. And you got 5 inner bulls. That's what I'm talking about right there. What we got? Let's see what we got next. Franklin, you started out with a 160. Your work said 239 during the week. You ended up with a 206. Okay, you still went up from 160 to 206. Good stuff. We got Lipford. We got 174 right here. Over there, we have 147. 20-something points increase. 20-something points increase. And again, where we go? Yusef, what we have over there, Yusef? 156 to 180. Prone right here, almost 70 points here. Right there we have 55. That's what a big increase. We got to work on the standing. The standing, a lot of work. A lot of work you got to do. Not just Yusef, but everybody. You just have to spend time on that one. I suggest whenever you do practice, you spend twice as much time on the standing than you do on everything else. Okay? That's going to help you. Again, standing is a championship position. Then we go to stand back. First time he shot, 92, didn't even get 100. All right? Now we got 151. All right, we're improving. That's what we working for. Zaya, he didn't even come yesterday. And 121 the first time, 176. All right, that's what we're working on. We're improving. Harder, I ain't gonna show Harder score. Harder getting on my nerve. No. 111 that other day, ended up with a 146. Could have done a lot better, but he just decided he didn't want to shoot when he was in the standing. All right, I don't know why. Harder ain't want to shoot in the standing. Could have done a lot better. And David, this is my middle schooler. David had 61 the first time. 61. Ended up with a 127. He doubled it up. Not bad. Not bad at all. That's some good work, y'all. That's some good work. And like I said, Gil Hocher, I don't know what Gil Hocher was doing. He was cheating over there in the kneeling, making up positions and stuff. I don't know what he was doing. But just like I said, spend time on it and work on it. And I told you during the thing that you had to shoot 240, right? For silver, 265 for gold. But we all qualified.
Oh, they're actual medals?
Yeah.
We thought they were the ones that were uniform.
No. Those are competitions. This is camp. Should have got team. Yes, we have team. Ms. Youssef, thank you for completing, and congratulations for completing the McEachin Rifle Camp. Outstanding job. Franklin, outstanding job for completing the McEachin Rifle Camp. Everybody give him some love. And for major improvement during the McEachin Rifle Camp, Mr. Stand Back. Mr. Irvin, you got pretty close. But not quite. What grade you going to, Mr. Irvin? 11th grade. 11th grade, okay. Come back again next year, maybe you get that gold medal, huh? Maybe. Everybody give Mr. Irvin some love. Mr. David, who ain't even going to high school yet, he decided to come and try it out. Dave, what Mr. David shoot? David shot a 127, not bad. Mr. Harder, for successfully completing McEachin Rifle Camp, there is your bronze medal. Congratulations. Mr. Gil Holtra, yeah, thank you for coming. All right, Mr. Livermore, great improvement as well. Congratulations for completing McEachin Rifle Camp. And Mr. Anastasia, the silent killer, just walked in the door and just snuck up on everybody. And lastly, Mr. Armstrong Zaya for completing McEachin Rifle Camp. Everybody give y'all selves. Hey, y'all put the work in and you saw the improvement. If you continue to focus on those things, you'll see even more improvement. You'll see yourself getting better throughout the season. You just gotta keep putting the work in, keep focusing, and remembering to say those techniques in your head. Muscle relaxation, bone support, side alignment, side picture, breath control, trigger control. Mr. Harder, why I say trigger control last? Because the last thing you do is put your finger on that trigger. Any questions for me?
No, sir.
No, that was a no, sir?
No, sir.
Yes.
All right, very well. All right, well, again, thank you guys for your great effort, and maybe we'll do it again next year.
Trio!
Yeah, who's the trio? Come on, here's the duet right here. Who's the trio? Who's the trio? Let's go.
Y'all got me messed up.
Cadets, stand by.
Whenever you
Cadets,
sing,
attend.
whenever you do the national anthem, come to the
Turn and face the flag.
You started.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proud that we hailed as the twilight lies gleaming, whose God stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight.
O'er the ramparts we watched, words of God nightly streaming, and the rockets were clear, the bombs bursting in
job this week, you all, great job this week. Appreciated your effort. And again, and we'll do it again next year.
So what you three need to do is come on out here, let's sign this paperwork.
All right.